school bus. What do you want to do today? Play day! Today is play day. Let's go make dolls and buy some yummy snacks. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Let's make a doll! Welcome! We want to make a doll and take it to the kindergarten.
No problem. Come with me.
Slide the scissors to cut out the shape. Let's sew it together. It is done! Next, let's decorate the doll. Finally, let's pack the doll. Aha! It's so beautiful! Thank you! I love it! Which path do you want to take? Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome! welcome! You can get a gift when you finish shopping. This is not what I want. Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. I bought everything I need. Thank
This is kindergarten!
Hey, kids! Don't forget to put the toys away when you're done playing. Let's tidy them up together. Let's do it! It's snack time! Let's snack together. It's time for a snack. You're good kids. School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now. Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye. Miss Maymay, goodbye.
Baby bus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, baby bus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.
Little driver, come pick your car. The food truck's ready. Food truck.
Hi!
There are many kids playing in the park. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order?
I'd like to have...
The customer didn't order this pepper and rib skewer.
I'd like to order this.
Cucumber and potato skewer. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the skewers. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Green pepper. Rib. Cucumber. Potato. Let's skewer the ingredients you've just cut. Green pepper. Green pepper. Which ingredients should be put here? Rib. Rib. Think about it and pick one. Cucumber. Cucumber. Great! All the skewers are ready. Turn on the switch and grill the skewers. Let's add some seasoning to the skewers. Black pepper powder. Ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Honey. Chili powder. Cumin powder. Aha! Tasty skewers are ready! Thank you! Thank you! Oh, we're out of gas. Let's have to equip the magical item.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car. We're out of ingredients. Let's buy some at the supermarket. We need to buy these ingredients. Let's find them together. Not this one. Keep looking. Great! We've bought all the ingredients. We can open for business again. The movie theater is starting the show. It's so crowded there. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order? We want to have this. Let's take customers' orders. Let's take customers' orders. Round cotton candy. Now we have the customers' orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the cotton candy. What flavor of sugar do you like? Cantaloupe. Blueberry. Wow, it is so big! Let's decorate it! Wow, the sweet cotton candy is ready! There's going to be a party at the beach! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Uh-oh! There's a flock of sheep blocking the road! Honk the horn to drive the sheep away! Whoa! The sheep are gone! Let's go!